Uptown Swing, level 1. 8 count. Maddie, Peter. We just worked on that swing out a whole bunch. Couple pointers. Leaders, remember, when you're moving your partner, this doesn't do it. This doesn't do it alone. This doesn't do it. If you go like that, that is moving somebody. We're really emphatic when we actually use this whole side. That was a big deal. So watch it. Okay? Well, really moving your partner. And when we're here, what do you do at the beginning of the swing? You take a rock step, come hell and high water. If we did that every time, we really got a lot better, got some clarity, and we really moved our partners. Then we had some bend in our arms, some tension there. We didn't use our arms a whole bunch because we're actually moving our bodies in the right spot. That fixed a lot for leaders. For followers, can you show that candy cane thing? Like if I'm here, I'm sending Maddie this way, but followers tend to go around. Followers, we want you to go in that line. So watch. She's going to go past me, but she faces me so that I can pinch her back. She's going that way, and then I change the direction. And we have to have that sort of cross purposes that she's trying for that, I'm trying for this. That's what makes it work. It's okay to have some feeling. I think that's a big thing that we're like, you can feel stuff. It's okay. We did that. So, last thing is we showed you low downs. And they go like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, shaboop. Shaboop feels good. The boop, the tap, the boop, the land, boom. With partner. If you go like this. Hello. Ha-ha. Get out, get out. And then you swing it out. And that was it. Oh.